Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey to create a soul-warming bowl of Ramadan lentil soup. In this video, we'll share our cherished recipe for this comforting and nourishing dish, perfect for breaking the fast during Ramadan. With wholesome ingredients and aromatic spices, this soup is sure to bring joy to your iftar table. Let's dive in and discover the rich flavors of Ramadan together. Ingredients: 1 cup dried red lentils, rinsed, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery stalks chopped, 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, and ½ teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: in a large pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, diced carrots, and chopped celery. Sauté until the vegetables are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the rinsed red lentils to the pot, along with the ground cumin, ground turmeric, and ground coriander. Stir well to coat the lentils and vegetables with the spices. Pour in the vegetable broth, stirring to incorporate all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and cooked through. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let the soup cool slightly. Using an immersion blender or regular blender, carefully blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Return the blended soup to the pot and heat it over low heat until warmed through. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed, adding more salt and pepper if desired. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve the Ramadan lentil soup hot, accompanied by lemon wedges for squeezing over the soup. Conclusion: there you have it, a simple yet satisfying recipe for Ramadan lentil soup that's sure to warm your heart and nourish your soul. Whether you're observing Ramadan or simply craving a comforting bowl of soup, this recipe is a perfect choice for your iftar table. Give it a try and enjoy the delicious flavors of Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.